Affiliate Marketing Explained for Beginners, 2026. Complete step-by-step guide to make money online. Opening midnight to 0:45. Imagine waking up in the morning. You check your phone, and while you were sleeping, you've earned money. No office. No boss. No product to manufacture. No warehouse. No delivery. Sounds too good to be true? Well, this is exactly why millions of people around the world are learning affiliate marketing. But here's the truth. Most beginners fail. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because they start with unrealistic expectations or follow the wrong advice. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, from how it works to how beginners can start the right way, the mistakes to avoid, and practical tips to build long-term success. So watch this video until the end, because one small mistake can cost you months of effort. Welcome to One Station TV. Let's begin. What is affiliate marketing? 0:45 to 2 o'clock. Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine your friend asks you to recommend a good smartphone. You suggest a phone that you've researched or used. Your friend buys it. Now imagine the company says, "Thank you for bringing us a customer. Here's your commission." That's affiliate marketing. Instead of selling your own products, you recommend products or services from another company. When someone buys using your unique affiliate link, you receive a commission. You don't manufacture the product. You don't ship it. You don't handle returns or customer support. Your role is to help people discover products that genuinely fit their needs. Why are companies willing to pay you? 2 to 3 o'clock. Think about how businesses advertise. Many spend large amounts of money on TV, newspapers, or online ads without knowing exactly how many sales those ads generate. Affiliate marketing is different. Companies pay only when a real sale or another agreed action happens. It's a performance-based model. If you help them grow, they reward you. That's why many businesses, from online stores to software companies and education platforms, offer affiliate programs. How affiliate marketing works. 3 to 4:30. The process is straightforward. Step 1, join an affiliate program. Step 2, receive your unique affiliate link. Step 3, create useful content around the product. Step 4, share your affiliate link. Step 5, someone clicks the link and makes a purchase. Step 6. The sale is tracked, and you earn a commission. Everything is handled automatically through the affiliate platform. A real-life example. 4:30 to 5:30. Suppose you create a YouTube video titled, "Best Budget Laptop for Students." You review different laptops honestly and explain who each one is best for. In the video description, you place your affiliate links. A viewer watches your review, decides it helped them, clicks your link, and buys a laptop. The price they pay is usually the same. The company pays you a commission because your content helped generate the sale. Everyone benefits. Where can you share affiliate links? 5. 36:30. You don't need millions of followers. Many people start with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, blogs, email newsletters, Telegram or WhatsApp communities, while following platform rules. The key isn't posting links everywhere. The key is creating valuable content that answers people's questions and helps them make informed decisions. How beginners should start. 6:30 to 8 o'clock. Choose one niche. For example, technology, health and fitness, beauty, education, travel, cooking, finance. Create helpful videos consistently. Review products honestly. Make comparison videos. Create tutorials. Solve real problems. As your audience grows, so does your opportunity to earn affiliate commissions. Remember, people buy from creators they trust, not from creators who simply post links. Mistakes that stop most beginners. 8 to 9 o'clock. Many people fail because they promote products they don't understand. Recommend low-quality products just for higher commissions. Expect instant income. Spam affiliate links everywhere. Ignore their audience's needs. The biggest mistake is chasing quick money instead of building trust. Trust takes time, but once you've earned it, it becomes your greatest asset. Final advice. 9 to 10 o'clock. Affiliate marketing is not magic. It's not a guaranteed path to becoming rich overnight. It's a business model that rewards consistency, honesty, and useful content. Start with one niche. Learn continuously. Help people solve real problems. Recommend products responsibly. Focus on building trust, and let income become the result of the value you provide. If today's video helped you understand affiliate marketing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to One Station TV. Tell us in the comments, have you ever tried affiliate marketing, or are you planning to start? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward with One Station TV.